Digital justice in Estonia, ensuring electronic workflow and online proceedings during lockdown. When a situation arises where a mutual agreement between two parties cannot be reached, the next step is to turn to the courts. We have created an environment in Estonia where all the steps, from initiating the case to publishing the final decision, can be carried out digitally. To initiate a civil case digitally, the claimant can use the public e-file that enables every citizen to participate in civil, administrative, criminal, or misdemeanor cases electronically and get a real-time overview of the stage of the proceeding. After logging onto the public e-file with their ID card or mobile ID, a citizen starts a new claim and follows a three-step procedure to initiate the case. It begins with filling in general information, indicating the claim type and amount, choosing the courthouse where the claim should be sent, and adding the parties to the proceeding. Next, the claim file is uploaded and signed with a digital signature. Finally, the claimant pays the state fee via internet banking. Once these three steps have been completed, the claim can be submitted to the court. The claim is saved in the Central Case Management System e-file, one of the backbones of digital law enforcement in Estonia. The e-file makes the claim viewable to the court through the court information system. All the case's information is available to the judges via the court information system, and the system can be used from anywhere. When the court decides to take the case into proceeding and, with the approval of the judge, the court lawyer lets the system generate the relevant court order document that already includes the metadata for the case. The court works with the electronic case materials, and the judge then decides to appoint a hearing. The court clerk schedules an online hearing and chooses delivery to the public e-file of the participants. On the day of the court hearing, the participants log on to the public e-file again and follow the guidelines to connect to the online court hearing. Everyone can participate from a distance, even the judge. All court hearings in Estonia must be recorded, and this also applies to hearings held virtually. After the hearing, the judge makes the decision and signs it digitally in the court information system. In Estonia, all final court decisions are automatically also published in the Electronic State Gazette, which is the only official source for Estonia's legislation. Digital justice in Estonia brings participants together electronically, resulting in shorter proceeding times and more open justice for all. But do the numbers back up Estonia's digital justice? Let us take a closer look. The number of incoming cases, for example, remained approximately the same for both the first and the second quarter of 2020, and even increased by 10% compared to the previous year. Only the working format changed, with over 70% of the cases carried out in written procedure during the first half of 2020. Moreover, during the lockdown period, around 61% of the court hearings were held online. The number of finished cases also varied little during this period. Last but not least, Estonia ranks in the top 3 European Union countries in the newly published Justice Scoreboard 2020. Indeed, the figures also show that digital justice in Estonia is not only a buzzword, but that it actually works and forms a substantial part of Estonia's law enforcement. What are the prerequisites to achieve digital justice? It all starts with secure digital authentication and an electronic signature solution, together with a secure data exchange layer between information systems. A strong basic infrastructure and IT provider is also needed. Legislation available in electronic format is also a key element. Possibility to get real-time information on court hearings and schedule in electronic format, making all final court decisions publicly available online. Having law enforcement information systems enabling digital proceedings. The capability to carry out interrogations and court hearings online. And finally, having an online joint work environment enabling multiple users to share their working documents securely and work on the same document simultaneously. Once these building blocks have been set up, digital justice will be at your service.